The sun was bright. It was a happy day. A little boy named Leo went to the park with his dad. Leo loved the park. He liked to swing. He liked to slide. But today, something special was at the park. Many colourful balloons were floating in the air. They were big and round. They were so pretty. Leo saw a red balloon. It was bright red like a ripe apple. Leo pointed at it. "Red," he said. His dad smiled. "Yes, Leo, that's red." Next, Leo saw a yellow balloon. It was sunny yellow, like a daffodil flower. It danced in the wind. "Yellow!" Leo shouted. He clapped his hands. His dad laughed. "You're right, yellow it is." Then Leo saw a blue balloon. It was a deep blue, like the ocean on a sunny day. It floated high above the trees. "Blue," Leo whispered. He liked the blue balloon. It looked like the sky. Dad nodded. "Good job, Leo. That's a beautiful blue." Leo saw a green balloon. It was green like the grass under his feet. It bobbed up and down. "Green!" Leo giggled. He jumped up and down. His dad said, "Just like the grass we sit on." After that, Leo saw an orange balloon. It was orange like a juicy orange fruit. It was round and bright. "Orange!" Leo exclaimed. He pointed at it with his finger. Dad said, "You're learning your colours so well." Suddenly, a gust of wind blew. The balloons started to fly away. Leo gasped. He didn't want the balloons to go. He ran after them. "Wait!" he called. But the balloons floated higher and higher. The red balloon flew over the big tree. The yellow balloon floated past the swings. The blue balloon drifted towards the clouds. The green balloon danced near the slide. The orange balloon sailed over the sandbox. Leo's dad picked him up. "They're going on an adventure, Leo," he said. Leo watched the balloons go. He felt a little sad. But then he saw something else. A kind lady with a cart full of balloons was at the edge of the park. She had even more balloons. Red balloons, yellow balloons, blue balloons, green balloons, and orange balloons. She also had purple balloons. Leo's eyes grew wide. He had never seen purple balloons before. They were a lovely purple, like ripe grapes. "Purple!" Leo shouted, pointing excitedly. The lady smiled. "Hello there, young man. Would you like a balloon?" she asked. Leo nodded quickly. He looked at his dad. His dad smiled and nodded too. Leo chose a purple balloon. It was his favourite colour now. He held the string tightly. He didn't want this balloon to fly away. The lady tied the string to Leo's wrist. Now, the purple balloon was his. He jumped and twirled. He was so happy. He had a beautiful purple balloon. Leo and his dad stayed at the park for a long time. Leo played on the swings. He went down the slide. He played in the sandbox. His purple balloon stayed with him. It floated gently above him. When it was time to go home, Leo still held his purple balloon. He walked with his dad, the purple balloon bobbing beside him. He was happy. He had learned about colours. He had seen many balloons, and he had a beautiful purple balloon of his own. As they walked home, Leo looked up at his balloon. He smiled. It was a perfect day, a colourful day. He loved the red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and especially purple balloons. He couldn't wait to come back to the park again soon. Maybe next time he would get a pink balloon. He knew his dad would smile and say, "Pink! That's a lovely colour too."